Papilapan ko lang po itong video consent form para sa ating interview.
Okay.
Dito, mas ang lubos, ano ba?
Anong dito eh?
5.
Me?
Check. Dito.
Okay na po.
Okay sir, thank you.
So much.
Bago po tayo magsimula, meron lang kaming konting katanungan about sa system na ipapa-review namin sa inyo. Una is, have you ever used any e-learning platforms before? If yes, which one?
Which one? Nakagamit na pong e-learning. For example, yung sa pandemic, naggamit tayo na kami ng Moodle. Yan, Moodle.
Okay, very good. Next is, how often do you use online learning platforms?
Nung pandemic, mostly everyday kami nagamit kasi yun ang ginamit para magpatuloy yung education. Dahil nga bawal lumabas.
Okay, good. Last question is, what do you usually look for in a good e-learning platform?
So, hinahanap ko yung pagka-interactive niya.
Okay.
Tapos yung kulay. Siyempre, di mawala yung learning, di mahali naman. Makakanood ka talaga, dawa, colorful seal app or so on side.
Okay, hopefully, sana nandun yun sa system na ipapareview namin sa inyo. Thank you. We have 3 tasks here for you to accomplish in order for to see the effectiveness of our system. Here is the task. The task 1 is for you to log in the system.
Kano talaga? Login successfully. Explore, di ba? Explore
Next
lang.
is after you log in, you explore the system.
Explore lang is yung pinaka homepage lang or
Yes.
mag-start learning na ba ako?
Yes. Ano lang yung explore, yung homepage.
About us, mission and vision.
Okay na.
Okay na po. Okay na si
Next is punta ka doon sa learning modules, start learning.
Okay, learning modules and start learning. Start learning, learning modules, and start learning.
Yes. Basta-basta mo. Sarap mo ba? After learning, you watch the video tutorial.
Then try practice exercise.
Yes, after you try the practice exercise.
Start quiz. 50-50. 50-50. Anong kinikibo ni 50-50?
Yung sa choices, babawasan niya yung mga hindi yung mga incorrect answer para dalawa lang yung pilian mo.
Sige. Ano naman itong ginagawa kang next, power up, di ba?
Yes.
Garong, your battery is running low. Parang mga statistics, mga graphs, bar graphs.
Yan yung yung mga yan, ilang percent na ba bagong matapos yung mga module na mo, kung ilang percent na.
What is the value of x and the equation of 2x and under that? What is the result of 3x minus 4 sub x under that? Amazing work. Education, your score 7. May tatlo daw na mali. Review answers.
Result. Yung result. Pili mo naman kung alin yung tamang sagot sa result.
Okay siya, nag-review yung yung solution dun sa kada mali.
Okay
So,
na.
okay na po.
Okay na. Balik ka dun sa may dashboard.
Dashboard. Yes, dashboard.
The task 2 is try mo yung mga interactive problem solving.
Task what?
Task 2. You try yung task 2, second task mo. Try answering the interactive problem solving. Yung Pipili ka ng ano ng topic at kung ano yung difficulty, kung ano gusto kong average, easy, or difficult.
Okay. Geometry, average, start. What is the sum of the interior angles of triangle? Sum. With 180. So, hirap ng hapot ah. Which shape has exactly one pair of parallel side? That's B. Next. Review answers. Question the final na. Okay na din po si interactive learning modules.
Okay na. Next is the task 3. The last one is go to the account setting.
Account setting.
Then try and use the accessibility features.
Accessibility features, you mean?
Yung dark mode, yung text size adjustments, and the warm mode.
Like I said, dark mode. Wow, amazing Earth. Dark mode. Font size.
Font size or text size.
Nagsasalit ba siya?
Yes.
Okay, nagsasalit pala. Sorry. Warm mode. Para saan itong warm mode?
Para yan, pag gabi, eye protection yan para hindi masakit sa mata pag nag-aaral ka pag gabi.
Okay, nice. Contact support. Bali, ito lang ang accessibility niya yung tatlo,
Yes,
di ba?
okay.
Okay na din. Okay na.
Okay, thank you.
Okay na.
Is that for the final questions?
Uy, nawala si, nalogan.
What can you say about your overall experience navigating the system?
Dun sa overall experience, dun sa task na inot, yung pag-explore, okay siya. Like ko yung color na blue ata yun or green. Tapos dun sa task ko sa both duman sa pag-answer ng quiz. Okay, nag-provide kayo ng sa results, may solutions, okay, good yun. Tapos, nag-provide din kayong transparency sa progress, kung ilan na bang scores yung nakuha ng users, another plus point naman. Tapos, dahil lang yung sa power-ups, kasi wala siyang label.
Okay.
Ano bang magagawa nun? Kasi baga, ako, as users, pinindot ko siya, tapos, iba pa lang sa kinaliwasan, harap na kaya. Magkaroon confusing siya kung icons lang.
Okay.
Tapos, duman sa accessibility, okay na may mga nag-incorporate kayong dark mode. Tapos, duman sa pag-addle sa warm mode, mostly students ang prospects. Mas okay yun, good yun na nagdagdag kayong warm mode. Total, na nag-addle bagang mga students bangge. Okay, that's all.
Okay. Next is was the system easy to use?
Easy to use?
Yes.
Kung i-rate ko siya out of 10, 8. Kasi, ano yung 8 out of 10 kasi dahil na din ang sabi ko, confusing yung ibang labels, lalo na din sa gamified quiz nyo, confusing siya. Tapos, okay na, confusing lang yung mga icons niya, yung labels ba. Next. May hapot pa.
Last question is, what did you like the most about the system?
What I like the most, yung nasabi ko nga, yung may progress kayo, kung pira na lang bang questions yung natitira, tapos nag-provide kayong solutions, transparency ba, kung ano ba yung mali ko, ano yung dapat, naginibo dapat.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Before we start, we have a video consent form that you need to fill out. 5, maybe 5.
Yeah.
Before we go to prototype testing, we have a background question. The first is, have you used any e-learning platform before? If yes, which ones?
G-Class.
Then next is, how often do you use online learning platforms?
Ano, pag need lang sa, ano, sa school.
Okay, then the next is, what do you usually look for in a good e-learning platform?
Easy to use, efficient to navigate.
Now, we have 3 tasks you're gonna do. So, the first task is log into Matastic.
Okay.
And after you log in, explore a system.
Wait.
Next is the go to learning modules.
Wait. Start. Learning modules. Okay.
And after that, watch the video tutorial.
Okay. Next.
After you watch the video tutorial, answer the practice exercise.
Wait. What is this? Next.
Your task 2 is answer the interactive problem solving.
Answer.
Yes, the interactive problem solving.
Which one?
The geometry.
Okay. This sound. Yes, wait. Okay, no answer. Okay, next.
Your task 3 is go to the account setting and try the usability accessibility features sorry.
Accessibility.
Yes, accessibility features.
Next. Ay, wait. Try ko lahat.
Yes, try the accessibility features.
Yan, next.
So after prototype testing, we have a question about your overall experience. The number 1 question is, what can you say about your overall experience using the system?
Masabi ko lang interactive siya kaysa sa other e-learning app. Pero nababother lang kasi ako dito sa ang daming white space kasi sa every hindi sa page. Kailangan ko ng white space. Tapos garong itong wala na siya yung back button para sa home, yung para makita ko yung about page, yung di ba sa mission about sa mission. Yun lang.
Next is, was the prototype easy to use? Why or why not?
Yes, it's easy to use siya. Why? Kasi simple lang yung ginamit yung mga design, tas layout.
And next is, what did you like most about the system?
I like the most yung ano, yung part sa part kang dito sa try practice or exercise, yung ano, yung mga ang tawag dito power ups, itong 50-50 ganito. Kasi parang mas nadagdag yung ano, yung chance ng ano user para masagutan yung ano, yung question.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. So, before we begin the interview, I'm going to give you a video consent form first. Thank you. So, let's begin the interview. So, before we begin the usability testing, let me ask you some background questions. The first is, have you used any e-learning platforms before? If yes, which ones?
Cisco Network Academy.
So, the second question, how often do you use online learning platforms?
I think twice a day.
So, the third question is, what do you usually look for in a good e-learning platform?
User interface and experience.
Lastly, on a scale of 1 to 5, how comfortable are you with using technology for learning?
10.
For the first task, maglagin ka sa Matastick.
Done.
Pagkatapos kaya, explore mo muna ang system.
Wait lang.
Then, proceed ka sa learning modules part.
Then,
Watch the video tutorials.
then,
Try ka na mag-answer sa practice exercises.
then,
Then for the task 2, answer the interactive problem solving.
which topic? Algebra, geometry,
Um,
trigonometry, or statistics.
Your choice.
Okay, done.
Then for the task 3, go to the account settings and try the 3 accessibility features that we have.
Okay, done.
So after using our system, I'm gonna ask you 3 questions about your experience in using our system. First is, what can you say about your overall experience using the system?
It's good and easy to navigate.
So the second question is, was the prototype easy to use? Why or why not?
The prototype is easy to use because the instruction is clear.
So the last question is, what did you like the most about the system?
I like the most the user interface in interactive problem solving.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Bago po tayo magsimula sa ating interview, papapirmahan lang po namin yung video consent form para sa ating interview. Okay, sir, thank you. Before we start usability testing, I'd like to sir, meron po kaming konting katanungan about sa aming system. First is, have you used any e-learning platforms?
Oo.
Ano pong nagamit
Yung
niyo?
model.
Okay, okay. Next is po, how often do you use online learning platforms?
Pag may mga activities na
Yeah.
ginagawa.
Lastly, is, what do you usually look for a good e-learning platform?
Yung madaling gamitin.
Sige, thank you. So, ito po sir yung mga tasks na gagawin mo para ma-test mo yung aming system mo. Ang po sir, task 1 is mag-login ka sa aming system. Sabi ko kung tapos ka na pag-login.
Okay na.
And then sir, explore mo po yung yung homepage, yung about us. Then doon punta ka na po sir sa learning modules and start learning modules.
Okay na.
After mo sir yung learning modules, watch mo yung video, YouTube tutorial.
Okay na.
Then yun sir yung practice exercise, try mo po yung mga questions. The sir, task 2 is pumunta ka po dun sir sa interactive problem solving. Then try to answer po the sample challenges.
Okay na.
Lastly sir is task 3 po, pumunta ka po sa account setting. Then i-try mo po yung tatlong usability testing, yung dark mode, text size, and warm mode. Okay na sir, thank you sir. Before we sir finish, I'd like to have your feedback about your overall experience in our system. First is what can you say about your overall experience using the system?
Overall experience ko is maganda yung system, pero may part na medyo nahirapan ako dun sa interactive problem solving. Medyo nalito ako dun sa mga
Power
mga
apps.
button.
Okay.
Yun
Yes, sir.
lang.
Next po sir is was the prototype easy to use?
Madali lang siya gamitin. At para sa mga kabataan, madali lang maintindihan.
Last last po sir is what did you like the most about our system?
Ang nagustuhan ko sa system is, wala siyang pinagkaiba dun sa mga nag-i-exist na mga system. Parang lang siya, kabisado mo na agad pag ginamit mo.
Okay sir, thank you po sir. Before we start po ma'am, meron lang po kaming pa-fill up na video consent form para sa ating usability testing.
Okay po.
Check mo. Ito yung pangalan.
Okay na po.
Okay po, thank you. Before we start po, meron lang po kami konting background question about sa aming system. Una is have you ever used any e-learning platforms? If yes, which one?
Yes po, araw po kang Google Classroom.
Okay. Next po is how often do you use online learning platforms?
Very often po kasi ngunyan po nasa asynchronous and Google Classroom po ang tinagamit mo.
Okay. Then last question po is what do you usually look for in a good e-learning platform?
So, very accessible po para sa mga students and easy to navigate also.
Meron po kaming tatlong task dito na kailangan mong gawin para ma-evaluate ang aming system po. Ang task 1 po is mag-log in, then explore our system, the interface.
Okay na po.
Then punta ka na po dun sa learning modules, then open mo yung lesson 1, yung PDF.
Tapos na po sa lesson 1.
Okay, then watch mo yung video tutorial sa YouTube. After nyan, try mo na po yung aming practice exercise.
Start list na po.
Opo, sige.
Okay na po.
Then, after mo po yun, the task 2 is, answer the interactive problem solving. Try po yung mga math challenge yun, try ka po.
Okay na po.
Then lastly is punta ka po dun sa account setting. Then try mo po kung gumagana yung mga accessibility feature. Yung dark mode, yung font size at yung warm mode. Opo, thank you. Nakapal minutes.
3.
Ito na po ang yung last questions after mong ma-evaluate ang aming tungkol po ito sa iyong overall experience sa aming system. First po is what can you say about your overall experience using the system?
Ang masasabi ko po is, maganda po siya and very amusing po yung colors na mga ginamit.
Okay, next po is was the prototype easy to use?
Yes po, very easy to use and easy to navigate.
Last po is what did you like the most about the system?
I think po yung mga colors kasi maganda po yung color combination ng mga ginamit ninyo. And also po yung text is kung mas gusto mo na mas larger yung size, pwede nyo pong ma-adjust. And may warm mode din po. Go.
Before we start to papafill upan lang po namin itong video consent form para sa ating usability testing. Six. Okay po, thank you. Before we formally start po, meron po kaming background questions about dito sa aming system. First po is have you ever used any e-learning platforms before? If yes, which one?
Yes po, and ang very common is yung Google Classroom.
Okay, sige. Next po is how often do you use online learning platforms?
Madalas po, lalo na ngayon asynchronous and na sa Google Classroom nag-upload ng lessons yung mga
Okay.
instructor.
Sige. Last question po is what do you usually look for in a good e-learning platform?
Of course po yung mga madaling gamitin and madali siyang maintindihan yung mga instructions.
Okay. Sige, okay, thank you. Meron po kami dito tatlong task na ipapagawa sa iyo para ma-evaluate niyo po ang aming system. Ito. Ang po, task 1 is mag-login po. Then try mo pong explore yung homepage. Then punta ka doon sa dyan, start learning. Then, check, pwede mo dyan i-explore din yan yung Then, after mo po niyan, punta ka doon sa learning modules. Then, try yung lesson 1. After niyan, yung sa video tutorial ka na, try mo yung sa YouTube video tutorial. And, next is po, try mo na yung practice exercise, yung aming parang quiz.
Start.
Okay, sige. task 2 is, punta ka dun sa interactive problem solving din na try kang maghanap ng topic doon na gusto mong sagutan. So, interactive problem solving.
Start.
Ay, try mo start na. Answer mo yung math challenge. Last po is punta ka dun sa account setting. Then try mo yung mga accessibility features na nandiyan, yung dark mode, font size, then yung warm mode. Try mo siya kung gumagana. Okay na po. Thank you po. Hingin lang po namin yung feedback sa yung overall experience sa aming system. First question po is, what can you say about your overall experience using the system?
It's fun po and madaming mga learnings na matututunan from this system po na dinadevelop nyo, and I think it will be a big help.
Okay po. Next is po, was the prototype easy to use or easy to navigate?
Yes po, kasi if mali yung na i-click, there's sign na yun dapat yung i-click.
Last po is, what did you like the most about the system?
What I like the most is about mathematics po. Kasi as a BS Math student, I think this will be very helpful talaga sa mga student, lalo ng kagaya ko na BS. You know.
Thank you po.